I would like to invite you to explore a training program unlike any training program that currently exists in the automotive industry. DLA Online is an alternative to the kind of archaic training that has existed until now. Let us take a close look. DLA offers the most dominant online training program in the industry with DLA Online and DLA Live. Both have been engineered to fit today's training culture and are accessible across all your devices. DLA Online offers a catalog of over 25 fundamental training courses, including more than 1,800 illustrated videos. We offer courses in sales, F&I, BDC, and fixed operations. We strategically designed each course into small increments and kept each video between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes to maximize the learning time to ensure that each part of the process is learned. Within DLA Online, you can enter DLA Live, which is the most robust live training program on the market. This powerful module has over 250 courses that your staff can attend on a regular basis. Courses for the beginner to the experienced and for all departments of the dealership. A new calendar is posted each week so that your team can schedule their training in advance. All courses are taught in an interactive format by live trainers in real time, with a workbook and a testing element provided for both live and video courses. Your management team can keep a pulse on how DLA is performing in your dealership with our extensive reporting and certification program. With our unique sales performances tracker, your salespeople can track and manage their sales process based on their personal history, which in turn creates building blocks that illuminate their specific closing ratio trends based on their presentation steps. A favorite component of many are DLA's weekly forum discussions. You and your staff will be invited to participate in this weekly event to share ideas and thoughts on different topics that are trending in today's market. As a bonus, we now offer our mystery shopping module where we spotlight your team's performance by making calls and sending emails to both your sales and service departments. Each call and email are analyzed, then critiqued by a DLA trainer before being posted into your portal for review. Our trainers are then available to discuss the pros and cons of each interaction and how to create better dialogue. And finally, we round up our tour at our recruiting program. This feature alone is a must for hiring salespeople, BDC reps, or service advisors. We have developed a process to attract quality talent to your store. We create and run the ads, post them on the national hiring sites in your market, as well as on social media. When the resumes arrive, we validate them for the next step, and then post them in your portal for you to call and set up the interview. As you can see, DLA wants to be more than your training provider. We want to be part of your team. Your sales triumphs are at the core of our training, and your dealership's success is just a click away. Give us a call today at 321-435-6000. Visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or email us at info@davidlewis.com.